Now, speaking of data, many companies don't have the data. So another example I'll illustrate is we invested in a company called Elemental Machines. And what Elemental Machines does is they digitize the operations of life sciences. So if you're in a life sciences environment, a lot of the stuff you do is in fragmented silos and systems, and a lot of it may not even be digitized. So for example, think about developing the COVID vaccine. So you required a whole bunch of instrumentation from making sure things were stored at the right temperatures to ensuring how long they were on the shelf, to what was the chain of custody, to what was the humidity level in the environment, to think regulatory compliance, capacity utilization of your equipment, operational optimization of your staff, which are scientists and very expensive. All of this data sits in a cluster of different people and machines in a typical lab. And Elemental Machines ties it all together through a system that allows you to get one single unified dashboard of your life sciences operations so that it lays the foundation to then get actionable insights from the data using AI. So we think that enabler, by the way, to get data digitized is also really important, because if you don't have the data, AI can be garbage in, garbage out.